If you're experiencing pending transfers on Cash App, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and complete your transactions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing transactions. Step 2. Update Cash App. Make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your device. Go to your App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's information and the amount. Incorrect details can lead to pending transactions. Step 4. Restart the app. Close the Cash App completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the app and resolve minor glitches that may be causing the pending status. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any underlying issues with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix pending transfers on Cash App. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.